Sup, Travis Tran here from Nitro Circus, SRT USA, and you're watching WRX Snowboard.
Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going? Today is finally the day I'm going to be getting the wheels installed. Now, I have to work on fitting all of this in the car. I already tried it once. I got pushed off a day, but had the car loaded up. Had to wait till today to get everything mounted, but these tires are going to go here in the back seat, and then 2 wheels up in the passenger and 2 wheels in the rear. I'm going to get it all loaded up, and I'll just kind of show you before I take off here to the dealership. So that was actually really easy. I put 2 wheels in the back, used kind of this windshield visor to hold them from bumping together, as well as put bags here to keep them from coming back. Have my lug nut, spare key in the back here. Have all 4 tires. Then up here at the front, put some cushion to separate this one here from here, and basically have my TPMS set in there as well. I'm all set, ready to go. Really looking forward to it. So these are about to be mounted now over at the friendly Subaru dealership, helping me out with these. About to pull the car around and we'll get going. Alright, now I have the wheels on, lug nuts, tires all shined up. I'm going to be putting these caps on here now. Let me try it, that way you can laugh at me whenever I mess it up. Here we go. Then to finish it off, have some crown. I guess you would call them valve caps. Put these babies on now. All set. Finally got the wheels on here. Fitment's a whole lot better in the back now. Look pretty sharp. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, happy driving and enjoy.